In this video, I'm going to explain appliance running alerts, a smart feature that helps prevent unnecessary power waste before it happens. Forgotten appliances are one of the biggest reasons for unnecessary electricity waste. Appliance running alerts automatically notify you when a device has been on longer than it should be. Set custom time limits for appliances like geysers, heaters, iron boxes, pumps, or kitchen devices. If they continue running beyond the set duration, the app instantly sends a reminder notification, helping you switch them off before they waste power or create safety risks. Especially useful for appliances hidden behind doors, inside bathrooms, or in rooms you rarely check. Your smart home keeps track even when you don't. Now, I'll show you how to set an appliance running alert. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Devices in the bottom menu. Tap on Rooms. Select the switch settings. Tap on Appliance Running Alert. Enter the time limit in minutes and tap Save. That's it. If the appliance continues running beyond the set time, you'll instantly receive a notification alert on your smartphone. Thank you.